In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add quantity on Shopify, and it's much easier than you might think. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin panel. Take a look at the menu on the left side of your screen. From there, click on Products. This section is basically your gateway to managing everything related to the items you're selling in your store. Once you're into the Products section, let's move on to the next important part, Inventory. You'll notice a drop-down menu appears when you click on Products. From that drop-down, select Inventory. This is where the magic happens. It's your inventory hub where you can keep track of all the products you've added to your Shopify store. In this inventory section, you'll be able to see a list of your products along with their current stock levels. Shopify makes it visually straightforward and easy to follow, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding what you need. All you have to do is locate the products you wish to update, and you'll see fields where you can edit the quantities. Just click on these fields and enter the updated values for your product quantities. Now, if you don't see a product listed in the inventory section, don't worry. This just means you'll need to enable inventory tracking for that specific product. So, to do this, head back over to the products list. Just find the product you're looking for and click on it to access its details page. Once you're in, it's time to enable product tracking. You'll find an option specifically for inventory tracking on this page. Enabling this means Shopify will automatically track the inventory as sales happen and as you make additions or deductions. It keeps everything organized and saves you time down the road. Once you've got that set up, remember to click the Save button. This ensures your changes are applied and that you don't have to redo any of this. And there you go. That's all there is to it. Updating your product quantities on Shopify can really be as easy as that, and having accurate inventory is crucial for running a smooth e-commerce operation. Not only does this help you track what you have on hand, but it also ensures you're not overselling or disappointing customers. By following these steps, you'll keep your Shopify store up to date and ready for business. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out more of our tutorials for additional ways to manage your online store efficiently.